Dear students and respected teachers, welcome to ninth Standard Social Science. First chapter in Geography. Our state, Karnataka. In this chapter, you learn the greatness of our state and its heritage, the origin of the name Karnataka and the form of the state, the geographical location, size, land and water frontiers, and neighboring states of Karnataka. Karnataka is one of the Indian states which has its own greatness, prestige, and heritage. This land has an ideal situation and is blessed with diverse relief features, flora and fauna, different types of soils, river systems, minerals, and human resources. It is a prosperous land with its own literature, art, and culture, and has religious, spiritual, and historically famous pilgrim centers. Many places in Karnataka are famous for their World Heritage Site and its natural beauty and abundance of wildlife. Origin of the name. The name Karnataka has been used from ancient times. This land used to be called Karunadu, a land of black soil. The word Karunat refers to Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work Shilpadikaram. Karunat means the land which is on a elevated plateau. It has been mentioned in Rupatunga's grammatical work Kavirajamarga that Karnataka extended from the Kaveri river up to the Godavari river. After the independence, India was divided into many states. In 1947, 9 southern districts, which were till then under the rule of the Mysore kings, were brought together to form the Mysore state. Later, when the states were reorganized on linguistic basis, areas with Kannada-speaking people in Bombay, Hyderabad, Madras and Kodagu provinces were brought together. Thus, on 1st November 1956, the Vishal Mysore state came into being. It is in fond commemoration of this event that Kannada Rajyotsava is celebrated every year on 1st November in 1973. In response to the wishes of Kannadigas, our state was renamed as Karnataka. Geographical location. Karnataka is one of the 29 states of India. It is situated in the southern part of India in the western central area of the peninsular region. It extends from 11 degree 31 minute north to 18 degree 45 minute north at latitude and 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. Its length is 750 kilometers, stretching from Aurad Taluk in Bidar district in the northernmost tip of the state to Chamarajanagar district in the south. Its width is 400 kilometers from the west to east. Karwar in Uttar Kannada district is at the western end, whereas Mulbagal Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers too. The Arabian Sea in the west, states of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast, Kerala in the southwest, and Goa in the northwest from its frontiers. The shape of Karnataka resembles a cashew nut. Size. Karnataka stretches over an area of 1,91,791 square kilometers. It is India's 8th largest state with regard to area. According to the 2011 census, it has the 9th position with a population of 6,11,30,704. Karnataka occupies 5.83% of India's geographical area. At present, there are 30 districts in our state. These districts comprises 176 taluks, 747 hoblis, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages. Belagavi district is the largest in size, and Bengaluru urban is the smallest in this size. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for administrative convenience. They are Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi, and Kalburgi.